What's going on, guys? A lot of people have asked me, how do I record a snippet? How do I take a snippet on a Mac? Well, it's not hard at all, actually. If you want to do a snippet, hit Command, Shift, and 4, like the number 4, and then you'll get these crosshairs. Do you see this? And then click, drag. See that screenshot pop right up? It's that easy, guys. I know some of you who have moved from having a PC to having a Mac are trying to figure everything out. So that's really, remember, it's hold down Command and then Shift and then 4. Let's try one more time just to make sure. Command, Shift, the number 4, and that is it. That's all it takes, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed.